Rajnikant is one of the most famous actors in India. But before he became a superstar, he had a hard life. His real name is Shivaji Rao Gayakwad. He was born on December 12, 1950, in Bangalore, Karnataka. His family was poor. His father was a police constable, and his mother was a homemaker. Rajnikant was the youngest of 4 children. When he was young, he lived a simple life. He loved acting even as a child. He took part in school plays. But when he was very young, his mother died. This made his life more difficult. His family had little money. So he had to work hard from a young age. After school, Rajnikant did many small jobs to earn money. He worked as a carpenter, coolie, potter, and bus conductor. He worked as a bus conductor in Bangalore for many years. People liked him because he was friendly and funny. He had a special style of talking and moving. Even then, people noticed his energy and charm. But Rajnikant wanted to do something more. He loved acting and wanted to be in films. One day, his friend told him to join the Madras Film Institute. This was a place where people learned acting. Rajnikant wanted to join, but he had no money. His friend helped him with money, and he joined the acting course. In the beginning, Rajnikant did not know Tamil well, but he worked hard to learn it. He practiced every day. He was not very handsome in the usual way, but he had a strong screen presence. People liked his bold style. In 1975, a famous director named K. Balachandar saw him. He gave Rajnikant a small role in the Tamil movie Apurva Ragangal. This was the start of his film career. In his early movies, Rajnikant often played negative roles. He was the villain. But people loved his unique style. He had a special way of delivering dialogues, flipping a cigarette, or wearing sunglasses. These became his trademarks. Slowly, he started getting bigger roles. He worked very hard. Sometimes he acted in 10 or more movies in 1 year. He never gave up. People started calling him Style Manan, King of Style. In the 1980s, he became a top hero in Tamil cinema. His movies became super hits. He acted in many languages, including Tamil, Telugu, Hindi, and Kannada. But even after becoming famous, Rajnikant stayed simple. He never forgot his past. He respected everyone and lived a humble life. He did not show off his money or fame. He believed in hard work, honesty, and faith. Rajnikant also faced problems. He had health issues and had to go to the USA for treatment. He also thought about quitting acting many times. But his fans always supported him. Their love gave him strength to continue. In 2007, his movie Shivaji, The Boss became a huge success. It was one of the most expensive Indian films at that time. Then in 2010, he acted in Enthiran, Robot, which broke many records. These movies showed that Rajnikant was not just a star, he was a legend. People love him not only for his acting, but also for his kindness. He gives money to the poor, helps people in need, and supports many good causes. He is like a hero in real life too. Rajnikant's story is a great example of how hard work and belief can change a person's life. From a poor bus conductor to the biggest superstar, he never gave up. His life teaches us to dream big and work hard. Even today, he has millions of fans all over the world. He is known as Talaivar, leader, by his fans. He continues to act in movies and inspire people. Rajnikant is not just a name, he is a symbol of hope, strength, and success.